So I just bought this. Gracias, man.
Ahí, esto va para grabar.
Sí, yo soy bloguero. ¿Cómo? Bloguero de YouTube.
¿Eso qué significa?
Tú mira los videos en YouTube, otra vez yo sube mi viajes. Ajá.
Ah, y tiene tu...
Canal. So I just bought this for 1,000 pesos, 1,000 pesos. Limonada, ¿sí?
Yes. Lemon.
Jorge.
You drink lemon.
Yeah.
My name is this. Yours.
George is right here. George. En español es Jorge.
Jorge.
Ok, uno para ti también. Compra uno para ti. ¿Ok?
No,
Sí.
tranquilo.
No, es para mi corazón. Uh-huh. So I'm buying him one from my heart. I just told him. Look, man, it's very, very good. You see?
Very well.
Very good. Wow. Uh-huh. Barranquilla. Con Jorge.
Brady.
Cheers. Habla cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Uh-huh. Salud, ¿sí?
Salud, cheers.
So, man, it's very hot. Es muy caliente aquí.
Sí.
Aquí hay.
No, hay temporadas que son...
Oh, hay temporada.
Sí, hay temporadas de lluvia, bastante.
Oh, so it says there's some time when it rains too much. Pero ahora es temporada de...
Ahora están calmándose la lluvia.
Oh. Okay,
Ahora
entonces...
viene la brisa de diciembre.
Sí, frisa. Uh-huh. So now there's like a breeze of December. En diciembre hay
Yes,
mucho lluvia.
No, muy poca.
Oh.
No, es escasa.
Oh.
Sí,
Casa.
escasa, pero
Sometimes.
ahí llovió de una vez al mes. 2 veces.
No, Jorge. Jorge, ¿tu negocio tiene cuántos años ahora?
35.
35. Este negocio.
Y mira por qué he perdurado tanto. Por ejemplo, este trapito está limpio, ¿verdad?
Sí, es limpio.
Bueno,
It's
mira,
clean.
mira,
Look,
mira.
look. It cleans.
Limpio.
Wow.
Mira, limpio.
Oh.
Ve, limpio.
Oh. You know what he's saying? Like his work is very clean. You see, this is very white, but he cleans here and still it's white. You know? Ahora entiendo. Mira. Limpio.
Todo.
Wow.
Limpia.
Wow. 35 años. 35. Wow.
Eso se llama asepsia, limpieza, ya, higiene.
Oh, Jorge.
Ya.
¿Tú tienes como familia?
Sí.
¿Cuántos niños?
No, ya están, el hijo mayor mío tiene 48 años.
Oh, no. Well, I asked him if he has family. He tells me his first son is 48, he's 48. Entonces, ¿cuántos años tienes?
69.
69.
Me siento como de 25.
No, sí, tú eres como 38, amigo.
Tengo 69.
60. Wow, 69. ¿Ese es 79 o 69? 69. Cada un año 70.
Dentro de un año sí, 70.
Wow.
Ha llegado visitante.
So George tells me he's 69 years old, and one more year he will be 70. Oh no. A Dios gusta tú mucho. God loves you. Oh, Dios es amor. Like God is love. Sí, la verdad. George. Ok, toma tu jugo, George. Wow, man, that's amazing. Real stories from Barranquilla. Says me has been 78. No, 68. 69. Pero tu negocio tiene
5.
35 years. 35 years. ¿Cómo se llama tu negocio?
Yo es amor.
Ese es tu negocio? Dios amor. Oh, that's the name of his business. También tú, tiene Jesús aquí. ¿Sí? That's Jesus, you know. Wow. Oye, tú eres muy espiritual.
Amén.
Ajá. ¿Tú orar a Dios mucho?
Amén. Sí.
Yeah, he prays a lot.
El único nombre dado a los hombres
Ajá.
bajo el cielo, aquí en la tierra, para obtener la salvación es Jesucristo.
Okay, wow. You hear that? That God, Jesus came
Sí,
to
ahí
this
dice,
world.
dice la palabra que en Jesucristo se doblará toda rodilla.
Oh, okay. Wow. Man, George. Tú eres muchas bendiciones de Dios.
Amén, sí.
Seguir tú en tu carrera, tu trabajo. I'm wishing him all the best, like God's grace. Wow. También tu silla es colombiano. He loves Colombia. Judge. Okay, man. Let me drink this. I think I'm gonna buy him. Sí, una vez. Ajá.
La ñapa, la ñapa, la ñapa.
¿Eh?
Esa es la ñapa, el
La-
repeche.
Oh, la ñapa. Oh, man, I'm gonna buy more. I wanna pay him more just because he's just amazing, man. Gracias, Jorge. ¿Tú no tienes tapas? Quiero caminando con esta.
No, va así.
Okay, okay. Very good, man. Very. It's just so natural, you know. And he's very clean. Muy limpio. Tu negocio. So I ended up giving George something small just to support his business, you know. And he's a very nice guy, you know. Very nice guy. So I wanna cross the road the Colombian style. See even the way that guy's crossing. But now I'm gonna go some routes here I'm not familiar with. Destination unknown. George is so blessed, man. He believes in God and his business has been alive for 35 years. Meaning he has taken kids to school with that and a lot of stuff you can imagine, man. You see, in life, if you believe in your dreams and you perform your dreams, I mean, you chase your dreams every day, there's nothing which is impossible, you know. Nothing at all. George has been selling juice in the streets for 35 years. You can imagine, man. And next year he's turning 70 years. Tell me, man. Wow. Please give the video a like. I think that will be the end of this video today. A note from George. Always believe in your dreams. Believe in something. Very important. And from the very beautiful streets of Barranquilla, it's your boy, I am Marwa. I want to say special thanks to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and support my dreams too. That is amazing, you know. Anyway, bye bye from the real streets of Barranquilla, you know. Bye. There's some street fight here. Let me show you. Street fight, Barranquilla, Colombia. So I'm in the other zone where nobody comes. I don't even know what I'm doing here, but only God knows. You know. I don't know what I'm doing here. Only God knows, man. But I'll go that way, man. Wow, man, I just came from one hood. Crazy one, I'm telling you. At the same time, this is how life is. inside Barranquilla. I think this family makes money from that, which is a good thing, you know. I think there's a school here. Niño de Jesus. I think I should buy some bananas, but again, I think I'm full. So these are the who's here, man. Tricky situation. But people live and calm living. Live calmly. So I'm inside some hoods here in Barranquilla, and I'm showing you around how the other side looks like, you know, of Barranquilla. Such streets are very unpredictable, so that being said, you just have to do your business. Even the dog here sits as something, so it's going turn down. Wow. Life deep inside Barranquilla, real streets, my friend. So close by. Gracias. Negrita ga agradecido. I think I need to keep going that way. Guys, this is Barranquilla. The boy Marwa is lost in the streets because I'm trying to find some very particular spot which I used to go, but now I forgot. This looks like the parts. I don't know why, but looks like the spot. Bendición, agradecido por Dios. Real streets. Whoa. I feel like it could be somewhere there also. Naweza kuwa na hiyo feeling kwenda hapo hivi. Guys, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, Actually, my camera is going very low, so I wanna reserve this for the next shot. Anyway, I've really enjoyed the streets here in Barranquilla. It's a place you should definitely come. Colombia is beautiful. There's beauty in this. There's beauty in everything, you know. It all depends how you wanna see it. That's all I wanna say, guys, you know.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica? What's up, guys? This is Mara coming live from New York City. We are in Hawaii.
We're at the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan. ¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to